Hey, this is Dennis here at Melloy Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram, and we are looking at some stuff that just came off the truck. How about this? Power Wagon, 6.4 liter. Hear me? Look at that. Got some factory wheels on it. That is sweet. This even has a Power Wagon 75 years of service badge on it. That is nice. So we've got this to look at. Let's see, what color is this? This is Anvil. So that is sweet. That just came off the truck.
You better not miss out.
Check out this right here on the dash. Look at that. That is, look, it's got all kinds of stuff. Gives you how much, look at all kinds of things. 410 horsepower. Get out of here. It's got a build number on it. It's like a special edition. Woo! You need to get down here and see this thing. Then next in line, we have got this two-door Wrangler. Look at that. That is pretty. What is that? That is Nacho. It's Nacho Daddy's Wrangler. Look at that. That's the new color Nacho two-door. That is pretty. Let's see. Oh yeah. That is nice. So we got that, and then another Nacho. We had all kinds of nachos. The other day was National Tortilla Chip Day. Now we got some nacho for your tortilla chips. This is a Willys edition, nacho color. Look inside of that. Unlimited automatic. Willys. How about that, folks? So these just came off the truck, but feel free to come on down and we'll get them cleaned up. You can drive them on home today. Especially that Nacho. Look, he's bringing another one.